So we have to write on this that Indian agriculture is the victim of its own past development. We'll have to write on this, Indian agriculture is the victim of its own past development. उसका आंसर कैसे लिखा है, जैसे करतार सिंह, a frail man of 85, sits on his charpai in his field in Moga, Punjab. He will be taking a common train to Bikaner in Rajasthan to meet the next day for his treatment. He will be joined by many other farmers of his district, united by concern. They are unmindful and clueless about the reason behind this. So meanwhile, his two sons hail hard in the field, praying for the better yield this year, and the crop from the last year reason failed due to the alkalization, making them struggle to make ends meet. While life goes on for them, they cannot help but be nostalgic of their prosperous past. These children are not enjoying the same childhood as they did. So what ails the Indian agriculture? What is the despite the green revolution success? The Asian golden bind country is still the sea country the farmers reside in every day. What is that makes farmer dump the product of their hard labor on the roads? The essay will be owning the above question, answering the above question to argue that the Indian agriculture is indeed a victim of its own past success. तो यहाँ पे स्टैंड ले लिया, इंडीड मान रहे हैं कि इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर इज इंडीड अ विक्टिम ऑफ इट्स ओन पास्ट सक्सेस. सो हीलिंग ही कैसे इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर को हील करेंगे, सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड किया, कंक्लूजन में डाल सकते हैं. सिंस इंडिया विल रिमेन अ हाईली एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमी, देयर इज अ ह्यूज स्कोप फॉर द डेवलपमेंट एंड टेक ऑफ. देखो पॉजिटिव सॉल्यूशन लिखा है. इन दिस फील्ड अ नंबर ऑफ measures can be taken in addition of an existing. And finally, access to the rural credit need to be strengthened in terms of credit, microfinance institution and private sector. And फिर इधर conclusion में लिखता है recent policy intervention of the government bring hope in the ties of the Kartar Singh and his two sons. The efforts of, देखो अब लास्ट में भी इन्होंने लिखा है, the efforts of government is to involve farmers in the decision making and living policy with a humanistic touch. We certainly have Indian agriculture to regain its glory of the past. फिर लास्ट में लिख सकते हैं सबका साथ सबका विकास, पंच लाइन दे सकते हैं.